3.
Hi, my name is Nicole Ballenger. I'm the director of the Legal Education Institute, which is the paralegal programs here at Widener University Law Center. A lot of times people will ask, what is a paralegal? And I can tell you a little bit about paralegal education and what it can do for you and how it can really promote an exciting career opportunity for you in the future. A paralegal is someone who assists the attorney and who assists other legal professionals within the law office, within government, within corporations. And the paralegal actually has a lot of responsibility in terms of that assistive role. Depending on where a paralegal is going to end up working ultimately, whether that be in a traditional law firm experience or in another capacity, that paralegal can ultimately have a lot of responsibility. And oftentimes that responsibility is going to include preparing cases for trial, preparing court documents, helping to draft information, getting intake from clients, participating in interviewing and investigation. Oftentimes paralegals who are in a criminal field will have an opportunity to work closely with police officers and have the opportunity to be able to interview defendants and other people that are important to that criminal case and getting ready for it to go to trial. And again, from a civil perspective, there's some wonderful opportunities as well. Paralegals oftentimes have wonderful career choices, again, within the traditional law firm, and being able to get out there and really have some hands-on experience and to participate closely in that trial work and preparing that civil case for litigation and for trial. And having all of those different responsibilities out there in the working field really stems back to us in terms of the type of education that we're going to be able to provide for you. And that's something that we're very proud of here at Widener. We're able to provide you with those skills that are going to be necessary for you to be able to succeed as you go out there and work as a paralegal. And the way that we're able to provide those skills to you are in a few different ways. You have a number of different choices in terms of different programs that we have available for you here at Widener Law Center. And one of those opportunities is to join us for an associate's degree. And the associate's degree that we have in paralegal studies is a traditional 2-year program, or 60 credits, and you have a variety of different general education classes as well as a number of legal education classes that you would need to take in order to achieve your degree. We also have a bachelor's degree opportunity, which is a traditional 4-year program, or 120 credit hours, and that also consists of some general education credits as well as a multitude of various legal electives that we're able to provide you with to really develop that skill building. In addition to the associate's and the bachelor's degrees, we also have opportunities for certificate programs. And the certificate programs are 8 classes, or 24 credits. And with these 8 classes, or 24 credits, someone who has already achieved a bachelor's degree or who comes to us with 60 qualifying credits is really an ideal candidate for these various certificate programs. And we do have a number of opportunities even within the certificate. In addition to a general paralegal certificate, we also have a choice of 7 concentrations, which really provides practical skills in specific areas of the law, such as litigation or real estate. We have a new concentration in intellectual property. We also have a concentration in criminal law and a whole host of others, depending on what your goals are in terms of what you'd like to achieve ultimately when you leave here. In addition to the concentrations, in addition to the associate and the bachelor's degrees, we also have a number of opportunities where we help to develop your career building. We do have a career development office here on campus that is best able to prepare you to be able to leave here having gained the skills and be able to go out into the working world and to apply those skills as a paralegal in the legal field. So we do assist with that as well. In addition to helping you with your career skills, we also have a number of internship opportunities. And the internship opportunities are free of charge to you. It's something that we help you with as a part of the career building in order to best be able to provide you with that opportunity to succeed after completion of our programs here. Another important bit of information to know is that our programs are American Bar Association approved. And the reason that that is important is that we are required to be able to provide you with the highest standard and the highest quality of education in order to make sure that you're in the best position to be able to succeed in terms of working as a paralegal and finding employment once you've completed those educational requirements. In addition to the certificate, the concentration, and the other degrees that I mentioned, also of note is that we have a legal nurse consulting program. And the legal nurse consulting program is a certificate program. Again, that's composed of 8 classes or 24 credits. And within that certificate, there's also an option to be able to gain a concentration in legal nurse consulting within forensic science. So if that is of interest to you, that's also something that we would be able to provide qualified candidates. And in order to really fill that qualified candidate status for legal nurse consultants, what we're looking at is an individual who has already gained their registered nurse's licensure, who comes to us seeking to couple that medical knowledge that you have along with the legal knowledge to put those two together and to be able to provide for a successful career in legal nurse consulting.